Whether you're looking to unwind after a day's work or immerse yourself in a virtual world, the latest generation of Me Time devices offer a range of engaging options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative Me Time gadgets, which will not only raise your pulse, but awaken the creator. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Valve Steam Deck runs on Linux, but the SteamOS front end is incredibly simple to use, and it lets you easily install and play many Windows games via Proton. The Linux backbone includes a full desktop environment, which leaves lots of room for tinkering and classic game emulation. The unit's display can also be extended to another monitor or TV. The Steam Deck is nearly a foot wide, though it makes good use of the space and is comfortable to play and hold for long periods of time. It has 2 analog sticks, a D-pad, 2 thumbsticks with capacitive touchpads on top, 2 touchpads, 4 ABXY buttons, 4 shoulder triggers, a big Steam button, a 3-dot button for additional SteamOS options in-game, and 4 remappable paddles on the back. The 2 touchpads also double up as buttons, and in supported applications, can be pressed in certain locations to do more. It comes with a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, the 512GB model featuring a special anti-glare coating. The Valve Steam Deck delivers raw power and configurability with the ability to play PC games. The Amazon Kindle Scribe is the first Kindle designed for both reading and writing. It's an ebook reader with access to an enormous proprietary library of competitively priced books available to download in seconds, and also comes with a pen that can be used to write whatever you like in digital notebooks or even to annotate PDF files and ebooks bought from Amazon. It's the largest Kindle yet, with a 10.2-inch ink screen boasting a pixel density of 300 ppi for crisp, clear text. Like the most recent Kindle Paperwhite, the Kindle Scribe charges via USB-C, and it's available in 16GB, 32GB, and 64GB sizes. Either a basic pen or premium pen is available. The latter is the same size and shape as the basic pen, but includes an eraser on the end, saving you having to use the UI to switch tools, and also has a shortcut button. The Kindle Scribe is designed with a wider bezel on one side, which lets you grip the e-reader without accidentally turning pages, and Amazon has had the foresight to make it ambidextrous. Flip the Kindle 180 degrees, and the screen spins around, allowing the wider bezel to be on the left or right. The Amazon Kindle Scribe intelligently combines reading, writing, and listening to audiobooks with an ergonomic design. The DJI AVATA is a high-speed FPV drone that performs fantastically and delivers the same adrenaline rush you get from a video game. For the uninitiated, FPV is a class of drone that enables the pilot to see what the drone sees via the use of an onboard camera that transmits a live feedback to a head-mounted display the pilot wears. The onboard camera is capable of shooting at 4K at 60 frames per second or 2.7K at 120 frames per second for more dramatic slow-motion footage. It can also capture 48 megapixel still photos. There are 3 goggle options available. The Premium ProView combo boasting impressive-looking micro OLED panels with 180p resolution for each eye and a silky smooth refresh rate of up to 100 Hz. You also use the goggles to change settings and access menus. A touch-sensitive panel located just ahead of your right temple supports swipe and tap gestures for navigation. In the menus, you can adjust video settings, set a custom geofence, and access the useful post-crash turtle mode option. Rounding out the package is the motion controller, which resembles a flight stick in appearance and allows you to steer the avatar by simply moving your wrists. The DJI AVATA is a well-built high-speed drone with features and functionality, making it easy to pilot and a thrill to use. Apple's iPad Pro tablet features the company's powerful M2 chip, also found in their MacBook Pro, and comes in 2 sizes, 12.9 inches and 11 inches. It boasts a liquid retina XDR display utilizing mini LED backlighting and over 2,500 local dimming zones. The iPad Pro is Apple's only iPad featuring Face ID, seamlessly unlocking the iPad whenever you glance at it, regardless of its rotation. The device champions Apple's latest iPadOS 16, which allows for multi-window multitasking akin that of a laptop experience. There are two cameras, a flash and a LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR enabling augmented reality capabilities. The True Depth camera system includes an ultra-wide camera. Together with Apple's Center Stage software, this feature is ideal for video conferencing, keeping your face front and center, regardless of how much you fidget and move around. The iPad Pro uses the second-generation Apple Pencil, which clings magnetically to the side of the tablet to pair and charge. It's a slick stylus with plenty of features, including hover, which previews where your pencil will land as you move it towards the display. Storage options range from 128GB to 2TB, enough for the most demanding user. When paired with Apple's Magic Keyboard, the iPad Pro delivers a truly versatile and high-end experience. The Meta Quest Pro is a powerful mixed reality headset which blends virtual reality with the real world. Your view of the outside world provides you with context and a sense of continuity while you're wearing the headset that helps to sell its virtual creations as real. It comes with 12GB of RAM, a powerful Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor, and 256GB of storage space, which enables it to run all Oculus Quest 2 games comfortably. The headset features full color pass-through, crisp mini LED LCD panels, and also utilizes eye and face tracking. The Meta Quest Pro's strap is adequately padded and makes use of a wheel adjusting the fit. The strap also houses the Meta Quest Pro's battery, allowing for an even weight distribution across the headset. The battery in the standard strap allows for 2 to 3 hours of gameplay, while the optional Elite strap, which features a more powerful battery, will bring usage time up to 4 hours. Self-track controllers feature a compact design and realistic feel, designed with fine motor controls such as precision pinch motion, joystick, and stylus tip for even more intuitive VR experiences. True Touch haptics provide a new level of interaction and reality with localized trigger and thumb responses. In terms of performance, the Quest Pro is one of the best standalone VR headsets available, delivering an immersive mixed reality experience. So guys, if you are looking for a me-time gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.